The latest information. Menyano. The Obuasi Len Cley Stadium is ready to host Kotoko. Say Omotimine Omakasama. And you said the Kotoko can move from Abrankasi to Obuasi. And say a lot of the considerations.
I'm so very out to Venice.
I say yes, so they will still have to have another alternative.
So you go to your B.
But B, you still have to have another alternative outside the B. And from all indications, Claire said the stadium will not be ready in the next 1 month or 2 months. And then but I'm saying Kotoko comfortable because from Kumasi to Obuasi time I'm saying 1 hour thereabout, then you are there.
Quite does.
Oh, he said, "Oh my, come up." I say, "I'm a no."
I buy a quite.
Oh, me fast one, me who told me parmanigi. Intino Oka, Ombeko, and with Kotoko crowd. I'm say, "Ebia, Menya moto kid kakra." Into the Ombeko.
Sebasti, they are in the team. There's a supporters.
I
can't team no go akabe on babo board they are no problem. But whether your people can follow you in a certain way, say you almost support so the almost pay. But Len Cley hasn't been a very good venue for Kotoko.
In terms of resource,
Asante good.
But other teams, in terms of resource, now we can tell.
Kahane ben a etia.
Kotoko biggest challenge in the year. A partner worker. A quack a crana can do the Kuda Brancas.
But Kotoko ball weekend, you. They are not playing this weekend.
They are not playing this weekend. Into our next match,
but the next game again is a home game.
It's a home game
against Selempele team. No,
almost 2 home matches at once.
Selempele, young apostles.
And also, and by the time and even for what I'm hearing, the Len Cley Stadium will be ready, and by close of day, I bet my host at least a league match. Into the special.
Now we will call. For no more stadium, no matter.
So Kotoko will ask them, say, okay, you first be okay, we messing conquer. Then on the so in terms of travel licensing requirement, that's always been the best. So more anywhere.
But stadium should be maintained. Nessa is always there. Maintenance is key. Dressing rooms, because I'm maybe number 2 picture today where I say Len Cley funa
I want to do one day someone could do that paint
one day
and for the good of it, the pitch itself there assembly home.
Say kwasa agena home more.
The pitch itself in there.
It all kinds of Kotoko agrees on because
I know that they were making plans there. But as to some confirm the cause.
It's conclusive.
They were making plans.
I know say it's conclusive.
Baba and SMP. But I mean I have my own belief about this because Kotoko away a really first game. So promote too much ni you Kumasi, you make a lot of money pa. Baba the penny for any.
Hey.
Yeah. We go me here e dia ba be duru be
10 billion.
When the Diababi do Morocco, no, and the Diaco Morocco.
Morocco.
The decision.
But the last time Kotoko HUC or Obuasi as their home ground, no supporting base wasn't encouraging enough. And that was it's okay, Sayano. That was the name of face here, right? Yes. It wasn't good enough in terms of spectatorship. But that's where my say after the as good in way there. Ebia omunya ball nhwe munya ga after yenye bi mfentie yenya become mu ne should be say
I think about say there a lot of work will have to be done by the supporters leadership.
Oh,
Tama, no, they say about say you have to find a way to rally around the people around the communities. No,
Claire say, getting people to the stadium is a management function. Munya supporters leadership.
Tama me no too, but say
we are saying no supporters and a catcher munya say
o mesi
me stadium. Edumra o say you guys see a dada and the supporters and the supporters because stadium. That is the function of management.
Media no too.
And someone omoka around your team.
Yes.
Information they babon team. And someone coach is the plan to promote the game. Mamon family and go supporters. And to be per second chamos with the Pababa Stadium. And you won't me. Clearly, they've not been able to do it.
And yes.
The banner support circle for another chapter for the Nipako Stadium.
But management, your management, that's all the Nipa. What in the almost what? I don't so boy. For example, when the supporters, the circles are well organized, the supporters are well organized.
So that become part of the strategy of management.
Management, yes.
And what I say, almost strategy, you know, and a this okay. A bema supporters now is sick. Abi we coach, you know, say no, say a bema na canon sem. Say now we be that is a general plan. But say a coin is supporters for circle for the Dini Pababa Stadium. Any ya time na be one. What do I say?
Yeah, I think at the Len Cley, so if they organize well, Len Cley between and Nipa,
I need results.
I change
results from the but clearly
because
you won't get the numbers.
I have my own opinion.
And they say you are no home.
Kotoko playing outside Babara because honestly, so put you in top promotion plans. Now results nisu kuya, you stand a chance of having more people at the Babara than
clearly and
the circumstances no see
and say Babara anyway.
Babara abe problem.
They don't be free question.
Ese ope baby oboka kujina na ohe.
Babara anyway obium.
So and as I can't for na hiti go from be 1 month so should be na obebi na ja ya double league so.
Calf then they
say bis do to na mo here for calf. And calf wey you buy you.
Yeah, clear.
No, you say omo ye ni ye. Some the 1 million ni ye.
Also this kind of year. This kind of money na some dey. Tama, the issue at House of Folk is gradually become a crisis. Me ne wo ka say coach na pamo Makarampedu efitim. And the issue ubeka ya omo wo togram beka say also on fit him nim onye part of onye part of the program
and how
tama last Sunday coach no the players ni nyina akọ dressing room ho no ko pick in the first 18 enti dressing ho kra no ne Makarampedu nya I say oni players ni bi nya issues. And sana Ampedu so issues no I build up about this pointer. See and now ye ka say Ampedu ni team no fo say coach no on pe boy no na on person be ka kire no. And na coach ni ka kire boy ni say oyare boy ni so oyare no ho ato no. Boy ni so oyare ni ho ato no. Now Tama we dey wadaroma when they declare player say we fit and so we fit. I think it's medics. And ABA doctors in catch the coach now and say ABA
the coach will not speak in vacuum. And some coach Beggars will be in your fit and now when you report from his doctor.
Yes.
Yeah.
So between the two no I say Obi
and anything and no way coach don't go for anything.
Obi nimia Obi can but between the two no say coaching there can no because nipa so yare ono emu no na ho.
So why would us allow this Ampedu thing to distract them?
So ma get into this issue kakra on Ampedu and coach no add to bar for the episode 2 House of Folk set up no e believe say Ampedu e de nyansa on person obeye no obeye preseason no when it comes to the physical yes
footballer on person obeye preseason
almost see last season
is he a footballer
that's a good question
on your preseason
and you know do you time Kotoko
exams onye mock onye
yes is it proud to Kotoko Kotoko a game no ana no start report say oya malaria and you know Kotoko game we no
so onya malaria what happens
see 2
when the team doctors
yes and after that no returning
so omo agitum say he had malaria
yes sir anybody oyare dia omo gitum
no me ba o say omo treat you
aye
and knows indeed our player had malaria and what on and you no na complaining
no you first complain to
but there's o complain say also yare na doctor for help na mpom so yare na what to say malaria no nya test once and yet so they tested and realized he had malaria and the investigator said no complain say
well I understand
by this case,
things are falling apart.
Complaining, you know. The team didn't. I said, medical team, no, I know.
On go pay malaria.
On one share, no.
Okay.
And the team no didn't. I said,
from that, I mean, that aspect, you know. So on a hair, sitting here, how many that you know. But then, no one turn money back. I'm on no call Togo.
Declared by who?
And the call do Togo no. And I was complaining. He said, "Oh, I'm feeling well now. We have special training."
Okay.
That is where the coach sent him.
Oh no, so special training.
I will freeze out. On your fit, I'll bet me. I can't. Team no, I'm moving grocery. You know, but can't obey my year. It will here. Are you training? Where report? I mean, then the coach was together with Gideon.
Yeah, different. No.
Or together with Gideon and Mefodano. No. Aziz. No, we know pockets of more problems. At your mom, you're saying about say, Accra, because Belmocoino, Togo, no, will not allow them that special training. No, to men that special training, no Accra. All these are more now. Not the old Tenka members, no. I report to Ama coach and say, last season at the preseason, Ampadu and Osei, a similar thing, and Ampadu and preseason. And you know, free said injuries no every occur at any point in time. No. So, Oba, you know, the coach invited him to join the team back. I will train him. Oba him so too, as a still no, the fitness level no compared to other players now, it's not there. That was where the problem started. And the coach in the squad no, one fananka home. And it is believed that Ampadu could be in Komo baby, and my baby coach Amane, and a coach in Ampadu. So, this is the situation now. Where then I can say, and according to reports of Free House of Folk, Ampadu reaction towards the coach, was not that of a respect one. So that ended the comfortable for nobody. Our coach said, Free House, I tell you, one step aside, on your part of the squad. No, but I mean, if you say, when it is that you are winning, I can say, when get your issue.
Hey,
so too, but Timmy is not winning, and we also player. Ampadu and a whole lot. So to confuse and coach bet my treating in a different way. I'm not saying player here said the more can no cry. It's also player also. Maybe on bet me a fan such a way. We will design a training program for him. So if you see on your fitter, you design a training program for him. Now oh the training grounds or I'm a coach will be just to bring him back to the players on level no. But to sack him, player when you just carry a tunnel, your team is not winning. Now to sack him one call and that stuff. So what are you implying?
But sorry, okay, only few people tolerate the player.
Then to make
so they're working.
Yes, sanity.
That's what I say. One, you have a record. Say last year, say I know 1 year. Most all of us know what has had gone through recently.
Yeah.
So. A pre-season is only a debut season. You prepare for a pre-season. The same player, every year the same tactics. Oba and when you're chairman, you call him to the team. The fitness there will form. One in the from one semi, player and us actually can do move massa.
Yeah.
Hey, where there? I would say where there.
Especially
when time
I understand say, but din komo we bi say na captain card ama mpa no ne kasa no omo record no nti about 3 different audios akodi coach ni nsem
okoka say
so coach ni penasem
bi o hono na so run coach ni down kakra
but the coach ni have as one farm asem nko I'm focused on my team. So I don't need this team for anything. Let me work.
Because
focus is here.
Enra na ye din komo on promise and so obedi ka say a player has told him and spoken so bad about the coach, especially when it comes to tactics. Now, Tama, Matthew McCarthy will say, the information I picked this morning, so as for one penny for information for more, they will receive the worst beating of their life from Pandu. Tama, the players have spoken among themselves. And my crowd not almost say one more, but they may picking to say, "Ebi akodi ombeko." The players no, almost say I'm coach and komunko.
Hey, they do no.
Anytime I say it's becoming crisis. Until who they say I say when he say I say.
Now players coach when ombe.
I don't know. But Tama say me rest studio and or say has for penny for when he's talking about penny for no how they resolve it on the oncasing coach but they should find a way to resolve it and start Uncle Pando. Ah yes sir and here ya ebi na house for ba na o ma cheap plan moja tu
Jack
Tara kasabre na nke mu bi oba first ne ka say omunya abutre nka otwa fufu atu yankwan mu bat yen na sese
obi awa baby azo omunya abutre
me watara ba first no
any new coach uzo omunya abutre
Mr. to watara ba first o mi ni mienu tu aso no me na me ka kire obi aso omunya abutre na enya onya justify no ho but so to this weekend against out of line so wasara kire say o kire bibi o training grounds so to me kire say training grounds no Okoa on boys ni bibi gomi so to okoba out of flowers that results ni san ayet se basake de no na san ayet se last season de na se training no okoa okoye Oto last season has Brekum Chelsea 3-0 has Brekum Chelsea 3-0 has Eshebe United 3-2 has she Nations FC has in penny for who says I born on the winning and your coach and your coach in winning some matches me and Sana Watara winning has in penny for who saw money winning match and your Watara and winning Nations Bechem any you can't say any Brokum Chelsea because no one who say Wamujaya
we need to win back again
also say Besati Afaso they said you Jan son one Casanya Bibi nti so to training hono eso ye bibi na yehu and improve how to folk compared to the house near who against Basake compared to the house or the we last season right so when timi anya ne sa na house begina park no so ne yehu improvement there na ne doma no ebeba no so na be chen anu bia that is me point I will still say they should give him time. It's just one game maybe he can turn things around he will but as I saw my signals of the things you are going to turn. Because Heart of Lions will too, it's not an easy game. So when Baseke first game with home, so too, he push him out kakra. But I'm far. You need to give a response. You need to give a reaction. That was the status of
as you just been to you right. Was it say lions my hey Mamalas
lions and betel.
Yeah.
Omoni aduana omuko yigire omoni omuko board.
But for that
clearly why
the team?
Yeah, to the last season omo man into the beam and to be. And say oba bebo ofie so too oba toto nyoma but one or the other on say as a Watara target
Randy so Dr. B
yeah
and him who na frase no kai say ojiga second round amunya na muyom jechemo no
so obejiga from obejiga from
okome de mapa okwa man for second round in here
it's so
oyan ntem
otigal ntem
Eso oya na akwa Mr. Ni be Chelsea.
Odigu.
Yes, start league na no we on pesa battle no.
Edu echira no.
Very expensive battle no timi nkobi.
Edu echira no. Na mam to dey hu na say it looks like another meet Watara interview bi. But to was the target ni here say the two last season e bi ntu omo bi emo.
No parination.
And then he started to avoid relegation. Me to and Osaka se has league no. Omo nyam ben ho.
No kabida.
Moto ka se has nyam ben league no.
Na say do kan no kre.
Enti ebia behind the scenes.
Ebia he sees there success there cause to Jesus anity. That is good but you see at the moment basic issues like coaches any player kontokwa we see those things o me league and did you all can the sanity
and episode to when or make his statement you know has in penny for one or the other I said you almost so can in line of it it's has a cheat for who say feel league no be born o penny for na ja to say relegation on person avoid it coach neka penny for neka cause coach
okay and now kakra mama nwe we na e meto